Dear aspirants, welcome to Institute of Banking Studies virtual platform.
Today we would like to bring your notice a very important update from IBPS.
Golden opportunity once again for all degree holders. The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, IBPS, reopened the online registration and application window on October 23rd for the aspirants
who could not fill the form earlier due to various reasons. The last date to apply for IBPS Clerk 2020-21 exam has now been extended till November 6, 2020.
Earlier the number of vacancies was 1,557, which was increased to 2,557 and expected more vacancies update in coming days.
IBPS, through this recruitment drive, aims to hire personnel for the post of clerk in various banks,
including Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India,
Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank.
The IBPS clerk preliminary examination will be conducted on December 4, 12, 13, 2020. The online main examination will be conducted on January 24, 2021, and the provisional allotment list will be released on April 1, 2021.
IBPS direct link is given in the description box. Click immediately and apply.
Hope the information was useful, and for all updated notifications regarding IBPS clerk, SBI, RRB, SSC RBILIC exams,
do subscribe IBS YouTube channel and press bell icon.
Thank you.